There are 250 Cornerstone telecommunications masts next to the railway around the country, which Cornerstone need access to. So Cornerstone work with companies such as O2 and Vodafone to provide coverage to passengers and members of the public. We have worked in partnership with Cornerstone to facilitate this access and overhaul this process to make it a lot quicker, a lot easier and a lot cheaper for them to access their sites. Previously, the process was quite cumbersome. There was a lot of red tape and it could lead to a lot of delays, and there was also a lot of inconsistencies around the country. Putting this process in place has made us much more efficient. It means that Cornerstone can access their sites quicker, it has reduced our admin time and reduced our costs. And ultimately, it means that we can continue to run services for passengers more reliably.
Cornerstone has had many difficulties accessing Network Rail sites in the past. Since working together, we have started to see this improve. For example, from October to December 2018, the average time to complete a maintenance visit was 397 days. However, in January to March 20, the average time had reduced to 93 days, and the early signs are this is continuing to fall. With Network Rail and Cornerstone both key parts of the UK's critical infrastructure, it's imperative that we can access our sites quickly and safely in order to ensure our combined customers and passengers are connected and able to work and communicate. Network Rail and Cornerstone have now agreed together to improve the access at ground level, whilst ensuring health and safety remains our #1 priority.